Hey guys, it's Mary. I'm bringing to you my Rite Aid haul for this week. I know it's not much, but I had some plus-ups that I needed to roll, so I went to Rite Aid today, and this is what I did. First, I went to Walmart to get some of these, the heads for the Oral-B action brushes. Walmart wanted $6.79 for them. And even though the coupon was for $7, I knew that I could get overage at Rite Aid or CVS. So I wasn't going to do that at Walmart. But while I was at Walmart, I found these little peelies. Buy one Physician Formula bronzer, get one free. Picked those up. I picked up 3. There was plenty of them there, so I did not take all the peelies. And if you don't agree with taking peelies off of products, that's your choice, but I don't see a problem with it because I am buying the product. I may not buy it at that store, but I am buying the product. So I don't have a problem with taking a peelie off of a product. But you may, so use that as your discretion. Alright, let's jump into it. At Rite Aid, Physician Formula is on a spend 15, get back 10. I bought these 2 bronzers. I used a $3 off peelie and a buy one get one free peelie. With my gold discount, with my gold discount, both of them were $11.96. My buy one get one free, the cashier put it in to take off the full value, which is $14.95. Instead of my gold discount, he put in to take off the $14.95. I didn't realize when I was doing it about my gold discount kicking in because I figured that would get me over $30 and then I could get back 2 of the $10 plus ups. But no, it didn't work like that. So then I added in one of these felt tips and that was $5.56. It still wasn't enough to get me back the other $10 plus up. I am 52 cents away from getting it. So I will go back tomorrow and pick up another one of these bronzers. I will use my Upster roll. I don't like coming out of pocket hardly anything at all. So that's why tomorrow I will go back, get 2 more of the bronzers, and then use my Upster roll with it. Picked up 8 of these Oral-B double head brushes. They are $5.99. Now there is a plus up deal that you get a $2 plus up back for it, and the limit is 2. But I was using overage. These are $5.99. The coupon was $7, which gave me $101 overage for each one. I got $8.08 in overage for that, which I rolled onto the Johnson & Johnson deal. I need to make a baby shower basket, so I'm starting to stack on some baby products, and this was a really good deal. Now this week, they're buy one, get one half off. It includes Desitin and all the Johnson & Johnson products. Now, they were, let's see, for the Desitin, that gave me, bear with me 1 second. Okay, the Desitin was $5.49, which I had a $2 off internet printable coupon. I don't remember when I printed it, but I had a $2 off internet printable coupon. And then the baby oil was $2.24 because when you buy one, you get one half off. Then the baby powder and the wash and the lotion was $4.49 and $2.24. Buy one, get one half off. What I used was 2 of the $2 internet printable coupons and 4 of the $1 internet printable coupons. I don't remember which site I got them from. I use Southern Savers database, so you may want to go on there and check out where to get them from, and hopefully they're still available because I'm not sure if they are or whatnot. But I know I printed a $2 off of one and a $1 off of one some time ago. So what I did was I used, for everything that you see here, I used 13 in plus ups, and then I got back $19 in plus ups, and my subtotal was 8 cents. So a really good deal, a really good way to roll your ups this week. I know there's not a whole lot there this week. I was going to do the Physicians Formula, the Now Trios that double dip, but my store didn't carry them. So I just went ahead and got some things that I could use and rolled my ups. And actually, it was a moneymaker because I got back more ups than what I put out. Hope you guys like my video, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.